Welcome back to Zenda, and today I have a huge opportunity for all new Bybit users. Bybit is launching the Fiat-to-Crypto Weekly Frenzy, where new users can win a share of 90,000 USDT. If you're new to Bybit, this is one of the easiest ways to earn free crypto. Step 1 is simple. Register your Bybit account and complete KYC. Make sure you use this referral code 49097. Why? Because this code gives you extra bonus opportunities, fee discounts, and access to special reward missions. The event is designed specifically for new users. Once you sign up and KYC, you can head directly to the Rewards Hub. Inside the Rewards Hub, you'll see simple tasks like fiat deposit, first trade, spot purchase, futures trial. Completing each mission gives you rewards and special tickets. After collecting your tickets, this is where it gets exciting. You can use your tickets to enter Bybit's weekly 90,000 USDT draw. And here's the best part. The more tickets you collect, the higher your chances to win. It's like entering a lottery where every task you complete boosts your winning odds. There are thousands of winners every cycle. Some receive small amounts. Some get medium prizes. And a few lucky traders walk away with massive USDT rewards. All from simple tasks that take less than a few minutes. Compared to most exchange campaigns, this one is extremely beginner-friendly. No heavy trading required. No large deposits required. Just simple missions and smart participation. Perfect for anyone who wants to start their Bybit journey with extra value. Here is the complete flow. Sign up on Bybit. Use referral code 49097. Complete KYC. Go to the Rewards Hub. Finish missions. Use your tickets to enter the 90,000 USDT draw. That's it. Easy. So if you're new to Bybit, don't miss this event. Use this code when you sign up. 49097. Bonuses. Fee discounts, higher reward opportunities, and the chance to win part of 90,000 USDT. This is Zenda. Trade smart. Earn more. See you in the next video.